In this video, I will show you the best method on how to locate your WeChat payment keyhard code. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Alipay or your WeChat Pay, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idufish, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how we can simply locate our WeChat payment keyhard code. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to click on Money right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on Receive Money. Then in a few seconds, it's going to generate your WeChat Pay keyhard code right here. So anybody can scan this particular keyhard code to send money into your WeChat account. And once you use this keyhard code to send money, you're going to see the money in your WeChat wallet balance. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat wallet like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, whether on WeChat or on Alipay, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idufish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.